Hi there, this is Navneet and welcome to my channel Navneet Technical. In the last video, we saw how to install VS Code along with Node.js and started our first React app. And coming to this video, we are going to see the folder structure of our React app and going to start our first Hello React program. So without any delay, let's start. First of all, let us open VS Code in our React app which we have installed in our last video. So in order to do that, just go to your file explorer, and this is what the React app we have created in the last video, right? So just get into it and click on this empty space and clear all these and just type in cmd in order to open the command prompt in that particular folder. Now just type in code space dot and click enter. As soon as you click enter, it will open a VS Code for you in that folder. I already opened my VS Code as it takes some time to load, so it will look something like this. See, you can see our first React app which is opened in the VS Code. So now let us see the folder structure. See, we have here three folders and along with some files like package.json, package.log.json and etc. at the root level. So as a beginner, we are least bothered about this node modules and all these files in this root app, that is the first React app. The only folders or the files we are bothered about is this public and this source. So first let us see the public folder. See, but before getting into public folder, I just want to start my React app. Okay, so to do that, just press Ctrl J to open your terminal. A terminal will be opened like this for you. Now just type in npm start and click enter. As soon as you click enter, a React server will be started, and I already started my React server. As it takes some time to start, I already started my React server and it is up and running. And now let us see our server. See, it is running in my browser at localhost colon 3000. It will look something like this. Okay, now let us get into public folder. See, the first one is the fav icon which is displayed over here. You can see beside a React app you have a fav icon. That is what we are getting from the public folder. And the second one is the index.html, which is the only and will be the HTML file in our whole React app, and we will not make any changes in this HTML file, except if you want to include any CDNs, you will include those CDNs in this head section. Except that, nothing will change in this index.html. That is, we are not going to make any changes in this index.html. And in the body section, we have only one div tag, that is with id root. And the next things are png, that is the images, and the next one is manifest.json, which is out of context, that is used for progressive web apps, but just ignore as a beginner. So the only file which that is in the public we should bother about is the index.html as a beginner. That's it. Now leave everything in the public folder, just do concentrate on index.html. And the next folder is a source folder, which that is we will spend our most of the time in this folder itself to code our React app. And the starting point of the source folder is the index.js file, where our app component is being rendered. See, you can see here app component is being rendered. And now next the files are app.css, which is a css file for this app.js, and the index.css, which is a css file for body, I mean in the body, that is a HTML body. We have seen that the div tag which is of id root, that index.css is for that. And this is a logo, and which is being rendered. See, you can let me open. Yeah, this is what the logo. And this one just ignore it, and the setup test also ignore it as a beginner. Okay, now let us start our Hello React program, right? Now the folder structure has been finished. Now let us start our first Hello React program. See, app.js is responsible for the UI which you see on the browser. See now on the UI side, you can see a logo or a picture which is rotating, and the app itself is saying that edit app.js in src folder and save to reload. Now this is what the app.js from src. Now let's edit this and look at the changes. Okay, now here let me clear this learn react. See, you can see over here learn react. Now let me clear this and just type in, you're already started learning, right? So let me type in strt started learning react. Now just press Ctrl S save, and it will automatically reload the browser for you, and no need of refreshing as well. That's the power of the react. So you can see started learning react. Now by this you can say that the whole UI in the browser which is rendering on the browser is responsible by the app.js. Now let us clear all these header section, that is this header. Let me clear all these. Now I'll just write hello react in h1 tag, that is hello hello react, and just press Ctrl S save. See, now you can see there hello react. So this is what our hello react program. So we successfully started our first hello react program. See, in this video we saw that is a overall folder structure of our react app, and started our first hello react program. Now you can see over here, this is the first line of this app.js is being dimmed, right, than any other line in the program. See, the meaning of that is you are importing that particular image or anything, but you are not using it anywhere in the code. So if that is the case, it will be dimmed. So just clear that and just Ctrl S save.